Today we are going to do Ardhamatsyendrasan. Before that we will do some Sukshma Vyayam, light yogic warm up for opening up the joints. Now extend your legs, hands behind you on the mat, rotate your ankle clockwise, make wide circles and keep breathing. Inhale and exhale for 3, 2 and 1. Anti-clockwise. 3, 2 and 1. Now shake your legs. Shake your legs one by one. Keep breathing. Now both the legs together. Now separate your legs. Knees little bit up. Now toes in and out. In and out. In and out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 3, 2 and 1. Now bring your knees up. Separate your knees. Now windshield wiper. Right knee towards your left toe. Left knee towards your right toe. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale for 3, 2 and 1. Release your legs. Now bring your sole together, interlace your fingers, keep it against your toes. Now knees up and down, up and down. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing, keep smiling. Up and down, up and down. Now flap it. Do not hold your breath. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Support your knees and bring it up. Separate your knees. Now again windshield wiper. Right knee towards your left toes. Left knee towards your right toes. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale for 3, 2 and 1. Extend your legs. Now lift your right leg up, bend it and push your heel forward. For 1, 2, push your heel forward. Try to keep your legs straight. 3, 4 and 5. Bring it down. Now lift your left leg up, bend it, push your heel forward. 1, 2, try to keep your legs straight. 4 and 5. Slowly bring it down and relax in Dandasana. Deep inhale and exhale for 3, 2 and 1. Now bring your legs together, knees together, hands behind you on the mat. Lift your right leg up, cross it. Bend your left leg. So your left heel is touching your right hip. Right hand behind you on the mat. Left hand up towards the ceiling. Stretch your fingertips towards the ceiling. And now cross your elbow against your right knee. And look at the back wall. You stay here, or if possible, try to hold your ankle. Look at the back wall. Keep breathing. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. No wrinkles on your forehead. Deep inhale and exhale. Try to take your right shoulder back as much as you can and try to twist little bit more with every exhale. Stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Now release your left hand, release your right hand, release your left leg, and then release your right leg. Now we'll do the other side. Lift your left leg up, cross it, bend your right leg, your right heel is touching your left hip. Left hand behind you on the mat, place your palm on the mat and sit tall. Keep your spine tall, straight. Right hand up, pull your fingertips towards the ceiling, spread up, and then cross your elbow against your top knee and look at the back wall. You stay here or if possible, hold your ankle. Keep breathing. Now relax your shoulders, relax your face, and do not forget to breathe. Keep breathing. Deep inhale and exhale out completely. For 3, 2, and 1. Release your right hand, release your left hand, release your right leg, and then release your left leg. Separate your feet, hands behind you on the mat, and relax in Dandasana. Relax your face, observe your breath. Namaste.